Hello, my name is Tiffany Day. I'm the owner of Creative Teas and More, and I wanted to give a review on Brit with the Blanks group that I am in. I joined her group about the end of 2021, and one of the things that I learned in her group was about drop shipping, right? So drop shipping basically allows you to create your items for your customer and then, give them something original, and then they will either ship it to you or you can have them ship it directly to your customer. I started that in January of this year, and it has given me the ability to bring my customers something different. A lot of people will say, I only have a small printer. I can't make those type of things. I can't make full t-shirts or all over t-shirts. Well, with drop shipping, you don't have to worry about that. Drop shipping, you can go in there and you can create the item and they'll do it for you. So behind me are some of the items that I did with drop shipping in my business. So I was able to make jackets, hoodies. I made my own hoodies. Yes, I'm a Packers fan. My book bag. I have shoes up there. It says Creative Teas and More, so that when I'm out, I can represent my business as well. One of the drop shippers allows you to go in and make your own banners. So I have my own banners. And then I also, the weekend bags, you can make those as well. You have table runners. I do a lot of pop-up shop and vendor events, so that allows me to showcase my business name. Then you also have things like your suitcase covers. Y'all, these suitcase covers have brought people into my booth with that alone. I have one that has my picture on it, and they're always like, well, wait a minute, what's that? That alone, like, come on in, let me tell you about my business. And so when you get them in there to you can talk about your business. So dropshipping has allowed me to be able to offer my customers more. Also in her group, she has a Shopify course, right? Now, granted, I had Shopify before, but it wasn't the best. I did what I could. So I did purchase her course to try to make my website more user-friendly, right? Well, she did a live one day, and she was talking about capital loans. And I'm listening to the live, and I'm like, okay. And she said something about they offer these loans, but you can't apply for it. They have to send you an email. And I'm like, wait a minute. I know I got an email from Shopify. So I literally left the live, okay? I'll go to my inbox, and there is a email from Shopify saying we can give you this loan based off of, it's like 3 different amounts that I could choose from. Guess what, y'all? I got the loan. And because I got the loan, I was able to buy things that I needed for my business, whether it be blank items, which with the blanks has her website. You can go and buy blanks for your business. So it's allowed me to go out and get these blanks. It allowed me to be able to buy some of these items to showcase at my events. Being in her group has been a tremendous benefit to my business. If you are not following her, you need to do so now. If you're not doing drop shipping, you need to do so now. If you don't have a website, don't worry about it. She has Shopify. She'll get you together, and you need to do that now too. So again, my name is Tiffany Day with Creative Teas and More, and I just want to give you a review today of what information I have gained and how drop shipping and her group has helped my business. Y'all have a good day.